Okay, we're going to be talking about the shoulder here a little bit. We see in our swimmers couple problem areas. We see this lat get really tight with our swimmers. You know, they're working on this early vertical form, big pull of those lats. We get some ugliness in here at those attachment points. Other thing that we see is with our recovery, so our high elbow recovery, we see a lack of extension here. So we're seeing this kind of get a little low. So we want to work on some shoulder extension as well to help with that high elbow recovery as we're coming through. We also see notoriously tight pec minor. So coming through here, just a couple stretches. So we're just going to work on ungluing some of the shoulder. First thing we do, we've got a band set up pretty high. All right, we're going to reach through. Okay, we're going to unglue that lat. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get some distraction on here. Just going to kind of drop and sink down in and really just kind of find what's going on back here. And just kind of move around and unglue and pull out some pieces of that. We're going to stick with the same band pretty high. We're going to come up. We're just going to work some extension here. We're going to get our brain involved, do a little contract, relax, a little proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. All right, we're going to contract, relax, allow it to go into a little more extension, contract, relax, and we can work on that as well. So we're going to spend a few minutes on each of these. Still while our band's high, we're going to come, we're just going to come across, all right, unpeeling some of this. We're also going to get some of that scapula to kind of pull off that back here. So we're going to come, get a little distraction, pull, working this, working here, and you can see we're getting a little separation here where that scapula kind of ties into that rib cage. So we can come there, we find our angles, find the spots that are bothering us. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to come to a middle height band. All right, we're going to wrap this. We're going to work some internal rotation. All right, we see that we have people are having problems getting that catch in that swim. We're going to work this internal rotation. We're hooking it to the back. All right, and what we're going to do is we are just going to step out here, and we're going to do a little contract and relax. Relax, contract, relax. Really help get that into a good internally rotated position. So you see where that is there, a little exaggerated there, but we're here getting that high on our back, and then just working that internal rotation. So we're just working on that shoulder motion. Next thing we want to do is just if we can, while we're with the band, just so we can hit pec minor. Great thing for this is just go into a corner, step through, allow that chest to come through, go into a doorway, do one side at a time. Either or, that's a great thing to help with this, but we're going to use our band like just a medium height. We're going to come, and I'm just going to rotate away. You're going to be able to capture some of this. You're going to be able to find exactly, get on that piece that's tight for you. So we're just going to exaggerate that. Again, go into a corner, go into a doorway, grab your band. Just go in there and see if we can get after some of this and loosen some of that up. All right, that's our shoulder.